Okay, so once all your scores are done, scores are official. And then for any association where the payouts have been created automatically, you don't need to worry about the payout button down the bottom here for weekend shows or weekend limited age events. That payout button is for club cuttings that want to create their own manual payouts, or for aged events that want to create their finals payouts or even go-rounds. And then the results tab is the only one you need to worry about here. And you can see here, once you print the PDF, it shows the placings. There was 6 placings. Shows the payout for each there. And then you can go down the bottom and you can see that was the total purse. And that can be printed as a PDF or posted online to your website. Now, if you do need to create a custom payout, what you can do is you can go down and click the Payouts tab. And you have several ways to create a payout. First of all, you're going to click the blue plus button for however many placings you want to pay out. Then you can either assign percentages, and that's going to break the total purse up down the bottom here by percentage, or you can do it manually. And then you can also apply bonuses if you have a Stallion Incentive or some other bonus to a champion or whatever else that you need to include in there. You can do that in that column. So for this example, I'm going to go ahead and put in some percentages here, 50, 30, and then as you can see, that number goes down as I'm putting percentages in, and it tells you what you have remaining in the purse. So the 20% should be $707. And as you can see, it clears out the purse down the bottom here. It shows you've used up 100%, and that's your total payouts there. So first, second, and third place, that's what they're going to pay. Now, if you want to make those up manually, you'll do the same thing. Click however many placings you want to pay, and then create your own payout here. And then again, as you put those numbers in, it's going to deduct it from the total purse down the bottom. And it's going to tell you here you've got $536 left. And then it'll go away, and that's your purse, and that's your payout. Now let's say you miscalculated. Let's say we're going to pay $540 because that's what we thought it was. It's going to show you that you're $4 over the purse. Okay, so that's how you'll know exactly what the payout should be according to the purse. Now, if I wanted to go ahead and pay out a bonus in here, I can do that. Simply add it in there with it, and it's going to add that to the first place check. Note, it will show you that you're over the purse, but if that's what you intended to do, you don't have to worry about that warning. But it's also going to show you the total purse there. If you had subclasses in a major age event like a limited, a gelding, or even the senior world tours, you would see those show up as extra tabs here. So for each class, you would create a separate payout. These can be created per go-around or for a finals. If you're paying go-around money, you can set these up that way to pay in the first go-around. Every other major age event where all the money is paid out in the finals, you would only set up the payout in the last round, in the finals round. So now we can see we've overridden the automatic payout. We've created our own payout. So we're going to click Done. We're going to go back to our results. Click on Results down the bottom. And here you can see now that other payout has disappeared, and it's just created the manual one that we put in. Now, if this was mistaken, you did it by mistake or whatever, it's easy to fix. Simply go back to the payouts, trash all the payouts, make sure and trash your bonus. Now we're going to click on the results tab again, and here you can see the default payout for whatever association you're running your show under will be put back in place.